Hello YouTube. This is my own invention. I haven't seen anybody make this. I made a Paracord Viper key fob holder, and it's for your Viper alarm. I made this because the little factory dually bob there at the bottom kept breaking off every time I got it snagged, and I didn't want to lose my remote. So I came up with bypassing that altogether. Just bury that in the rope and make your own keychain holder there on the rope, and also it protects it a little bit better from dinging up against the wall, and you can still see your screen just fine. And removal is easy. Just pop the top and slide it out just like so. Very easy, goes all back together. Give a little squeeze, push the nub in, and you're ready to go. I also made a little slot here, but it didn't really work out. So I guess if you want to use your side button, I would suggest moving it. It was a worthy try, it just didn't work out. And just basic Cobra all the way around, and then cinch it together, and then fish in your side straps. So very easy. It's very close to being what the your American Camper multi-tool holder. It's very similar to that idea, but this is just another way to do it for this. So if you have any questions about this project, send me a message, and enjoy.